Why is it so dirty?
It's still, huh?
Why is it a bunch of dirty water?
It's got slots in there where.
Just want to clean this up. I'll probably still paint it, clean it up, make it look nice, you know, that way there's no grease or grime all over it. So when I use it for a mock-up, even though it's a mock-up block, but I'm here at the car wash with Jasmine, my youngest daughter, and load this bag, get back, and hopefully tomorrow I'll start cleaning it up, put the heads on it, and start making. I got the oil pan today, so that should be good. Let's see how I do that. You know, I'll make that oil pan. Alright guys, thanks for watching and please subscribe.